Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today the recipe is the most famous Chettinad special Vellai paniyaram with tomato chutney. Let's start the recipe. The ingredients are raw rice, urad dal and salt. Now I am soaking 1 cup of raw rice with urad dal as per this ratio for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, I have grinded in a mixer grinder. Add some salt. The consistency of the batter should be something like this. Now I am heating the pan. Add the oil in the pan. To check the oil is ready, we can pour some batter. I am pouring batter now. Once it's cooked, paniyaram will come up in the oil. Now paniyaram is ready. I am using all the batter now to prepare paniyaram. Now I am going to prepare tomato chutney for paniyaram. The ingredients are 2 tomatoes, chopped onion, garlic, curry leaf, tamarind bulb and salt. Heat the pan, add some oil, add onion and garlic, stir them well. Add red chilli and tamarind bulb. Add chopped tomatoes. Stir them well. Stir them well until it changes like a paste. Add curry leaves and add some salt. I have grinded everything. Now the chutney and paniyaram is ready. It's very tasty and delicious. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.